What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're taking the Ford Focus RS to the body shop. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, give us a video a thumbs up, help us with the YouTube algorithm because we are new here and we need all the help we can get. We're on a little time crunch right now, so let's jump right into the video. Right now I'm getting the Ford Focus RS prepared and ready to be sent off to the body shop because we're getting a quote on the front frame rails. As you can see, everything was pushed in and then to the left, and the front frame rail ends are kinked, and on this side they are kinked as well. Depending on what kind of repair the body shop recommends, whether it be a cut and then weld new ends on it, or if it's replaced the whole apron and front frame rail. And if that's the case, we're gonna be cutting it a little close to our build budget. But either way, it needs to be done to get this car back legally on the road. And as you can see, the car currently does not have a license plate on it. So let me fix that real quick. This little temporary plate should get us down to the body shop legally. Now, as I said, they're waiting for us, so let's get this thing loaded up. Speaking of hurrying, let's go see what our ride is doing. There's Carter up there washing his truck. See why it's taking him 3.5 hours to wash the truck?
There's all these freaking bug guts all over the front of my truck and I can't get it off.
Maybe if your EcoBoost didn't create 50 pounds of boost, you wouldn't be hitting all the bugs, bud. Speaking of his truck, I don't think I showed you guys the wheels yet, so let me do a proper reveal. We'll run the montage. Looking at those wheels, they're pretty nice, but they look a little bit illegal.
Well, Dad said he wanted to give me the best of the best, and he said he'd cover the fines too if I did get pulled over, so it's fine.
Oh, then you're good to go there. Speaking of it, those fog lights look a little bit outdated.
Yeah, it is outdated. It's a 2018.
Well, hold on one second. I might have something for you. Let's dig the trailer out of the woods and let's get this junk off of it. It looks like an old TV and a computer monitor. Probably couldn't even pay someone to take it off your hands these days. The funny thing is, that probably was one of the best TVs on the market back in the day.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange,
I got the trailer unloaded and I already see a problem. We'll go over that in a second. But first off, let's see why Numbnuts is still washing his truck. It's been 4 hours. What are you doing, Carter? You trying to scrub the paint off the truck or what's going on here?
I'm trying to see if there's a new color underneath.
The thing is, you can wash your truck all day, but we do live on a dirt lane, so... And by the time anyone sees it, it's gonna be covered in dirt again. But I'm hearing some rattle down there. What would that be?
Recall.
Which recall though? That's pretty typical for a Ford.
Cam phasers.
Yep, the internet told you, buddy. Cam phasers for the EcoBoost.
Hey, it's free though, so I don't give a damn.
Well then let's hear some rev limiter. Get the trailer loaded, let's go. They are still waiting for us. Wholly unprepared, he doesn't even have the ball in yet. This should do the trick. Good to go. Bring it back. Did you see it on the camera?
Yeah, I did.
So you weren't looking at me?
No, not one bit.
So I was doing hand signals for no reason?
Absolutely. Thank you. I had to make you feel.
It's good to go.
Nothing but the highest quality here at Akin Road Entertainment. Hop in.
Put your tractor and trailer skills to use and back at trailer right over there.
Got it.
I'll get the razor and we'll try to get something going on with the car. I'll explain that, guys, here in a second what we have going on. We have a car trailer with no winch. That's weird. We randomly stumble upon my glasses. Gonna need those here in a minute. I swear I lose everything in the yard, whether it be keys or glasses. It's always laying in the yard, especially those 10mm sockets. So we have a trailer with no winch, a car that does not run, but hold on one second. We have a RZR with a winch. We're gonna try to figure something out by parking the RZR in front of the trailer to pull the car onto the trailer. Yeah, sounds like a jumbled mess. And by the way, they're still waiting on us, so let's get this thing done. Carter got the key to the RZR, and where's he going? We got a car to load, and we're on a little time crunch here, and he's out here joyride. I hear him absolutely ripping it. And that's the most power you ever felt. How about it?
I don't think this thing's in healthy condition.
Why?
Because it's don't feel right.
What do you mean?
It has a clunk.
Well, yeah, it's Polaris quality. Obviously, it clunks.
It kind of cuts out whenever you go trying to pin it.
That's because it's Chuck.
Yeah, it's junk.
Well, take it over the hill. Yeah, no engine code, so I think it's just Polaris quality, bud. Polaris review by Carter. He said it is a hunk of shit. Another quality item I own.
Yeah, you better sell that thing fast.
Seems like everything I own is actually pretty low quality, not gonna lie. We don't even have a front end on this. So we're gonna try to park the RZR in front of the trailer, get that truck out of the way. He's gonna purposely jackknife it as if he doesn't already. We'll park the RZR over there and we can just tow the car up on here with the winch. That's the plan anyways. We'll have to see if that actually ends up working, but we're on a time crunch here again and we gotta be there by 4 o'clock. So let's figure something out quick.
We don't even have it loaded yet. Do you think we'll make it?
Yeah, we got time. That was almost bad. The car started going and no one was in it. We couldn't get to the brakes. Yeah, when you hook it, try not to scratch anything. I just bought this car. Let's see if the RZR can move this. And we have a tree right there. Try not to smoke the belt right now. Trailer ramp, so we're gonna try to use this little divot here in the yard and these boards. This is chaos. We still have to be there by 4 p.m. so let's get a move on here. That's not a bad spot, but he also has to move his truck that direction so I can get the RZR in and pull the car straight up on. We got the car lined up to the 2x6s. That's all we have right now because I don't know where the ramps are, and we got the RZR here. Take it off free spool and let's start winching. We have a little bit of a problem. The car is parked so close that we cannot open a door. We can use the jump box to power the car. We're gonna reach in, auto up the window, and then we'll climb out of the back hatch. And when we go to get back in it, we're gonna have to climb through the hatch. This is complete chaos. We have 2x6s we loaded it with. We need to just get on the road. And we gotta be there by 4 p.m. So let's get it going. And 3.5 hours later, we're ready to go to the body shop. Oh, and looky here, you're still cleaning your truck. Hurry up, we gotta get there by 4.
What time is it?
6:28. We should still have time.
Yeah, probably. Let's go.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy.
We're hauling quite heavy for a V6 truck. You think this unit can handle that bad boy back there?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to turn off the AC to keep the power. Get prepared to sweat.
I think it sounds like it's struggling.
Yeah, maybe we need to downshift.
Is this truck struggling?
No, this truck's good.
What's the towing capacity on this truck?
Pretty sure it's unlimited because we're still under warranty.
Oh. Made it to the body shop. We gotta drop the trailer off right here, but
Can hurry up. BMW usually drive fast. Why are you driving forward? Put ice cubes in it to cool it down. I'll piss in it.
So you're here stuck on the road. We had to rescue you.
Sir, I ain't on the road. I'm in a driveway.
Yeah, random house.
I'm just here to help you. I'll get more coolant, make sure. I believe it's a water pump though.
I'll tell you what the problem is. It's a BMW.
You gotta fill her up. You almost got the hey dudes right. We all got hey dudes. We're the hey dude.
What's going on here?
Checking to see if my that's hot. Checking to see if my water pump's working. Oh, she stopped. It's not working properly. See, it keeps going and then stopping and then going and then stopping. It's a piece of crap. We went to Napa, get some coolant, the cheap stuff, of course. I told him how much the water pump. Dude said $636 at absolutely ridiculous. My ass going straight to Rock Auto.
But you're not going anywhere with the car like this.
Got 2 vehicles.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That bought you the
That
power
bought me a
stroke.
truck too.
Turns out we ended up doing a wheel stand. As you can see, the wheel up here is a little crooked. That's not good. As we're unhooking the trailer, someone just smacked that opossum over there. And I kid you not, it reeks. He's over here about puking. It literally just exploded. Oh, that is gross. It just exploded. There's guts everywhere. Wow, does that reek? Holy crap.
Let's go. Let's go.
I popped the wipers up. We're gonna leave them a little note with my name and what I need done on it. Someone just hit it again.
Let's go. They're gonna get fucking chunks out of my truck.
We unloaded the trailer here at the body shop. Hopefully they give me a call tomorrow with a quote on what price will be to fix the frame rails. And in the meantime, hopefully no one hooks to this and steals my Ford Focus RS. Let's go. That opossum absolutely reeks.
I know.
Look, a cop.
Oh, I got a cop.
Yeah! Hey Carter, how's that Model T running?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Like, look, you got halogen bulbs. That's the same headlights that were on my first car.
2018.
This is 2018.
It is.
At least put some technology on it from this generation.
Give me some.
Well then, hold on a second. Today we have the LED fog lights. It's gonna bring this truck up to modern day time. You ready to get started?
Let's start with the exhaust.
We got one installed and it already looks so much better. And how's this one coming along? You're not down there nibbling on the wire again, are you?
No, I already ate the other one.
But if you're that hungry, we can go get something to eat after. Once again, thanks Indigo for sending us some LED fog lights and bringing this kid's EcoBoost back up to current times. How do you like them?
They look bright. Can't wait to use them in the morning and see some deers.
Well, with that being said, why don't you turn them on for us?
Let me get right to it.
Hit it.
Whoopin'!
Wow, those are bright. You might as well just take the headlights off at this point. Since the wheels look good and the fog lights look good, now the stock headlights are looking a little,
generic.
By the way, if any companies want to send us some headlights for,
2018 Ford F-150 with stock halogen bulbs. Stock halogen lights.
just send me a message on Instagram, but they're not going to send you a whole truck.
Who knows? Maybe they might. Since this one has cam phaser issues.
Well, before the sun goes down, all that hard work, let's finish the night off with a razor rip. Oh, dude, I almost forgot. Remember from loading the car, this winch is all jammed up. Look at this cluster. There's only one way to fix this. Dude, this thing is junk. This is every time I use the winch, this thing gets all jammed up. Not too bad. Remember that fee I was telling you about adding to my policy? Can I get that added today? Want the VIN? Okay, hold on. Can you give me a couple minutes? Let me walk out to my garage. Harbor Freight.
A little more tension, bud.
This thing's junk. If you want a cheap winch, well, don't mind buying it 3 times. 5,000 pound Harbor Freight Badlands ZXR 5000 cable winch, already bent, first use, limited edition, 4th of July special. It's 150 bucks with the coupons. This is every time I use it, so I had to get bigger tires so I don't use my winch more often. Let's back up, high speed. Almost every time you use it, you have to do a little reset, which means unwind the whole winch. Well, that should do it. We're back to setting a nice layer. By the time I actually get this thing winded in, it'll be dark. Perfect. Well, that should do it. What I need to do is cut at least 10 feet off of it. The Razor is a never-ending problem. It's got 3 new codes showing, so we'll deal with that another day. With the LED fog lights, the aftermarket wheels, the tinted windows, it actually looks pretty good. Here's a little update on the Ford Focus RS. As you saw earlier, I took it to the body shop. That was on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I called them and they still have not saw the car yet. They said the owner will be back Friday and he will look at it. The whole reason why I called them last week is to see if they were busy. So yeah, so far that's not going too good with that body shop. Well, with that being said, that is a wrap to today's video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. This video a thumbs up, help us with the algorithm because we need all the help we can get. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Popping off and risking things.
Told you it was fine. It's just anxiety. It's a social media. It's just getting to you. That's all. Oh.
Just wanna be famous.